Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss what checkbox control in ASP.NET. So it is used to get multiple input from the users. So the main purpose of using checkbox control to get multiple input from the user, and it allows user to select choices from set of options. So let's understand by example. So I already written this all codes to save some time. So add here inside div section, I'm going to copy this. So let's copy and going to paste inside div section. Now here after the next thing is let's copy after div. So add here this is the starting and here this is the ending of div tag. Now hereafter I'm using p tag and inside using add here button. So add here I have taken 5 checkbox and here I've written the text of checkbox 1 csharp.net training and here Windows application training and here for checkbox 3 vb.net training and here 4th ASP.NET and 5th SQL Server and here I used S2 anchor tag. So add here .NET training courses. So if I go at here designer, so here you can see add here checkbox. So here you can see add here checkbox. So first is add here csharp.net training Windows, next vb.net, hereafter SP and SQL Server. So add here user have multiple option to select the checkbox. Here you can select this checkbox like checkbox 1, 2, 3, whatever you like you can select add here. Now here after let's go add here source. Now here after the next thing is, so add here I've taken button control and here the name is submit. So add here when I click on button control, so something I'm going to paste the message. So for this double click on button control. So add here button click event, it's open. Now here after the next thing is, so let's copy from here. So going to paste inside button 1 control. Now there is one more thing, label 1 it's missing. So add here, let's go add here, not this part, add here source and here going to paste add here label control. So there is one label control outside of form. Now here after outside the form going to paste label control. So add here label, so run it that run on the server id label 1 and here this is the starting of label and here this is the closing and here like this is the starting and here by using this option backward slash, so this is the closing. Now here if you go to designer, here you can see label control, it's there. Now here after let's execute and see the output first. So add here .NET training courses. So this is for add here S2 anchor tag. Now here you can see, so S2 anchor tag .NET training courses. So it's displaying. Now here after the next is, so add here checkbox 1. So this is the ID of checkbox 1, run it, so that run on the server. Now here text property, first option add here csharp.net training. So like this checkbox 2 and here second Windows application training. Now here after you can find vb.net training, ASP.NET training and in last SQL Server training. Now here after let's scroll down. So add here you can find add here, so button. So add here ID is the button 1 run on the server and here text is the submit add here. So add here when or user click on button, so some event that fire. So add here on click event fire. So suppose if I click add here button, so it's displaying you selected, and here there is nothing. So suppose if I select add here C# training, so at here I'm getting the message you selected C# training. So let's check at here. So this option button click event. Now here, so when I click at here, this is option clicked, and here when I click on the button, so button click event fire. Now here after it's try to check which button, which checkbox has been clicked. So at here initially str value. Now here checkbox 1 it's a correct. So add here checkbox 1. So add here checkbox 1 dot text. So the text property of checkbox 1 is the C# .NET training. So now here initially str value is now add here null or blank. So blank that concatenate with C# .NET training. So here you can see. So checkbox 1 it has the proper text property C# .NET training. Now here after the next thing is, so at here in str the value is to C# .NET training. Now suppose if user click on VB.NET, and here, so at here this time it's displaying C# .NET training and VB.NET. So at here initially first time, so it's selected, so this is the part of checkbox 1. Now this time this one is selected. So at here it's concatenated with, so str first time the value is this one, and next time this concatenate with VB.NET training. So at here third position that comes, so it's not click with this one, third position. So at here third position has this value. So at here blank, now checkbox 3. So checkbox 3 has the value VB.NET. So if you're using str plus equal to, so that means to stop, then I can explain. So if you're using add here str plus equal to, so that means add here str plus checkbox 3 dot text. So if you're using add here str plus equal to, so that means str equal to str plus checkbox 3 dot text, not text, text. So first time it was C#.NET, now here C#.NET and C#.NET that concatenate with VB.NET. So after when I click on C#.NET and VB.NET, so with both that concatenated. So if you are using plus operator with any string, so there that are doing concatenation means just mixing up. Click C#.NET, VB.NET, click on, so submit, add here on click event fire. Now C#.NET training that concatenate with VB.NET. And here after, if you scroll down, here you can find you selected. So add here you selected, so this is added, and here the str value is now, so first time this one C#.NET that concatenate with VB.NET. After this is now C#.NET training, VB.NET training, both concatenated, and here this is the str value. Now add here that go to level 1 text. So here it's now in level text property of level, this is display. So this is the simplest example of checkbox control in ASP.NET. So if I go there, and here you can find label has ID level 1 and run it server. So run it server means when you execute there, so label control also run on the server. So this is the main purpose of using checkbox control. So it is used to get multiple input from the user, and it allows user to select choices from the set of options. So we have different options, and we have the choices, whatever you like you can select. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.